notebooks and planners based on that. And I still have a couple of other publications that I'm going to do. And I'm going to keep that because that's passive income. You create that item, you publish it, and you get Amazon money, right? Every single month, little money from Amazon every single month for that initial effort. So I like that. And here's the thing, you don't have to write a book. There are journals and planners that you can become a international bestseller off of, just so that you know.
Okay.
So you can make a really cute cover and have a journal prompt. If you want to know the fastest way to international bestseller in order to get paid more money and be on the local news and on podcast, you can do a notebook, a journal, a planner. And if you sell enough of them, you can be an international best-selling author and charge more money for other things.
Gotcha.
You coming deep in all my personal business. So if we were to look at incomes, I still get a profit share check from Keller Williams because I'm vested. And even when they close their gap, I'm grandfathered in. It's not a lot. I get a residual check from Exit based on recruiting.
Okay.
I get Amazon influencer money. I also get Amazon publisher money. I get royalties on this book through the actual publisher.
Okay.
I get Redbubble money, which will now become All Things Real Estate money. We did launch the 6 and 12, and then I also have my speaking money where I'm paid per hour for the different webinars, and I'll do about 250 of those. I'll do 250 events this year, and there'll be a minimum of an hour. Some designations and certifications will be 8 hours.
Awesome. I love that. The idea of cold calling for lead generation literally makes me sick physically. I would rather knock on a door and talk to somebody face to face other than to pick up a phone and call a complete stranger to get a lead. But when I first started, every coach I had preached cold call. So I kind of was stagnant and at a standstill. Without cold calling, which lead generation method would you say yields the best result? Social media, direct mail, or a combination of both?
So let me say this. I have never cold called, ever. I absolutely don't like it. I did have these cute little door hangers that I was going to use in the midst of the foreclosure short sale market. I opted for direct mail pieces. Okay. So today, let's just come today. At the moment the moratorium is over, I am going to do direct mail piece to homeowners in certain areas where notice of default has been filed. Because of the foreclosure process here in the state of Illinois, which is by statute a minimum of 7 months. It could go on to years, but a minimum of 7 months. I will mail to that same list once per month for 7 months, and then I'll pull a new list. Because I only want certain areas, I am going to put a Facebook ad over where I'm sending that direct mail piece to.